Oh, I already did.
Okay. So sorry for that, folks. Okay, let's get back to business. Okay. So now you need to take. Oh wait. And get some more of these and put them all around. Oh wait. Sometimes this falls off. Okay. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. And oh, I keep getting this messed up. I'm really sorry for the difficulties. Okay. So then, it's really annoying. Okay, so you take. Okay. Now. Put these all up. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Then you just take one of these and you put it like this. Then you get some more and get one of four dotted smooth one. Then you get this, a long red one. Oh wait, get this off. And then you put this right there. And you take one of these and put it right there. So it's supposed to look like that. And then you get, oh sorry. Okay, then you get one of these and you put it right there. And you get this one, put it right there. Okay. So then take this, like shooting something. Put it in there. Okay, so now you take this little long white piece and oh wait, let me put this away. And then you take this long one, put it there. So then, okay, you take this and you get one of these black ones. Put it. It's supposed to look like this. Then take a white one like that, one stud thing like that, and then it's supposed to look like stairs. So now, and then you take another one like this, you put it right there, and then you take a red one or whatever color you have like this, put it like that, and you take it like that. It's supposed to look like that. So then you get it to go like this, I think. Oh, this. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah. Okay. So then you get these stuff and you put it at the edges of this. So simply supposed to look like this. Then you take this and then you take this piece, put it in there, and then there's supposed to be a hole there. Okay. And then you slide it in. And that's your tutorial on how to build a Lego puzzle box. Oh, but let me show you how it works. Okay, first you can't pull it out, so you slide this back and pull it out. And then you get this piece. So you get this to open, and this thing's supposed to pop out. So you take this, and there's supposed to be 2 holes there, but just take this and put it in this hole right here. And then you push it out. Oh wait, it shot out. And there you go. Sorry guys, I didn't have real money, so I put one of these green things inside. But it's okay. So to put it back, you take it, this green part, and you face it to this. And then this thing will pop out. So just keep it there. And then you put this thing back inside. And put this here. And then you take this, push it, slide it, and there you go. Your tutorial on how to build a Lego puzzle box. See you guys and subscribe.